In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to explore possible future scenarios. This is a helpful way to think through where your current choices might lead, especially if you want more clarity about your goals, routines, or next steps. The key thing to remember is that ChatGPT is not predicting the future. Instead, it can help you organize your thinking and map out realistic possibilities based on the information you provide. To begin, open ChatGPT and start a new conversation. Starting fresh helps keep the discussion focused, so the responses are shaped around this specific topic rather than mixed with older prompts. Once you're in a new chat, tell ChatGPT that you want to explore possible future scenarios. Be direct and clear. This sets the intention for the conversation and helps the AI understand that you're looking for guidance, perspective, and structured possibilities rather than a simple answer. Next, give details about your goals, habits, situation, and choices. This part matters a lot because the quality of the response depends on the quality of the information you share. You can describe what you're working toward, what your daily routines look like, what challenges you're facing, and what decisions are currently in front of you. The more specific and honest you are, the more useful the outcome will be. After that, ask ChatGPT to create realistic possible outcomes. This invites it to connect the dots between your current patterns and what may happen if those patterns continue. You're essentially asking it to help you think ahead in a practical way. To make the response even more useful, ask for optimistic, realistic, and cautionary versions. This gives you a balanced view. The optimistic version can show what might happen if things go especially well. The realistic version gives you a grounded middle path. The cautionary version highlights risks or setbacks you should be aware of. When you get the answer, review it as guidance, not a guaranteed prediction. That mindset is important. Treat the response as a tool for reflection, not certainty. It can help you notice blind spots, confirm what you already suspect, or reveal opportunities you haven't considered. Then ask ChatGPT for actions you can take now. This shifts the conversation from theory into action. Instead of only imagining possible futures, you begin identifying what you can do today to move toward the outcome you want. Finally, turn the advice into a practical plan. Take the suggestions that feel relevant, realistic, and useful, and shape them into clear next steps you can actually follow. That's where this process becomes truly valuable. Because insight is helpful, but action is what creates change.